The newest and largest immersive digital art museum in the Philippines, A Museum. I'll give you a small preview of what's inside. This is located at the 3rd floor of Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Ang laki nito guys, 5,000 square meters, and for 899, meron ka ng 2-hour immersive tour throughout the museum. But may less pa yan if gagamit ka ng clue code ko na MiaXCluke, 5% to 3% off. Dito sa A Museum, meron kayong 10 rooms or galleries na pwedeng explore. Perfect dito mag-picture and mag-video. Sa first room, para ka talaga nagte-teleport given its name, Teleport Gallery. Iba-iba yung art na lumalabas and moving. Next one is the Stellar Chamber, para kang nasa ibang mundo. Dito naman sa Cosmos Voyage, yung parang may black hole. Eternal Touches, actually ito na ata yung pinaka-favorite part ko. Portal of Lights, merong malaking ball pit and laser lights. Wave of Masterpiece, ang ganda dito kasi sumusunod sa galaw mo yung art. Ito naman yung Stream of Heaven, iba yung atake, diba? Gustong-gusto ko magpa-cute dito sa Infinite Blossom. Diba parang yung sa Japan din? Dito sa Ground of Creativity, ang daming pwedeng gawin. Meron dito yung gagalaw yung artwork habang naglalakad ka. Yung footsteps mo, sinusundan. Habang hinahawakan mo yung wall. Cubist Portrait, magiging instant artwork talaga yung face mo. Color Sonata, magpapiano ka. Dito naman lalabas yung word na sinabi mo. Ang cute din ito, lalabas sa screen yung artwork mo. May photo booth din sila. You just need to pay extra. Wear your best OOTD din, much better if plain color yung isusuot mo. Pet friendly din pala dito guys, and enjoy nyo lang yung bawat gallery kasi one way lang walang balikan. A Museum is a place where art, technology, and innovation come together. Book your tickets now!